congratulations, sir, for buying new car from Sai Baba Automobiles. Could you please share your experience from booking to delivery with us?
Yes, hello. I am Pranav, and today I have collected the delivery of my car, Tata Nexon Plus S Creative. To be honest, it was an amazing experience. From the day I have decided on the model, Mr. Yogesh, who was my the person who showed me around the vehicle and everything. So he and Mr. Aditya, they ensured that the delivery has happened within like a week. So from the day I decided on the model, they helped me get this car in the offer scheme, which is like 1 lakh discount that was available for this month. So because of their help, I was able to get that discount, and I could get my dream car today. So it is the best I could have asked for.
So congratulations,
thank you to the team. Yeah.
And thank you for buying a car from Sai Baba Automobiles, and happy motoring. Have safe rides.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you.